In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for and find Discord servers. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more. Maybe you're new to Discord or you've been using it for a while and just want to discover new communities. Either way, here's how you can do it. On the left-hand side of your Discord window, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom, and you're actually going to see a little plus icon as well as a discover icon. Go ahead and click on that discover button, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. This actually is the server discovery page. Up at the top, you can go ahead and browse through different categories like gaming, music, entertainment, science and tech, education, student hubs, or if you're looking for something in specific, you can use the search bar up in the top right corner. For example, if you're into Valorant, you can go ahead and either just look for the Valorant down here or just search up Valorant and hit enter. As you can see, it's going to pop up with a bunch of different Valorant servers related to that kind of topic that you typed in. You could also search up like YouTube. It'll pop up with a bunch of different stuff like this. And from here, you can kind of just browse through whatever server you would like and choose a specific one to go ahead and join. I'm going to choose, I guess, this one right here. And as you can see, it's going to automatically allow me to join it. Now, this is a preview mode. You actually will have to hit this join button up at the top in order to officially join it. But it's a good way to look at the server beforehand to see if it's something that you'd possibly be interested in. But that's it. You can now explore as many servers as you like. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more Discord tutorials. Have a great day.